Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change your SIM pin on your Huawei P60 Pro. Maybe you have a really complicated pin, maybe someone found out about it, you're worried about losing your SIM card and then someone else using it, or well, whatever else it is. I'm going to show you where we can change our SIM pin. We need to go to our settings and then go to security and then go down to Simpin. And now we can say change SIM pin 1, put in our current SIM pin, alright, and then put in a new SIM pin. Security tip, this password can be easily guessed. For your security, please choose a different one. We will say use anyway now. And then it's changed. You want to be a bit more creative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 0, stuff like that. That's not super secure, so be sure to choose something else that you can remember, which is also safe. So that's how you can change your SIM pin on your Huawei P60 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.